We use our body for a number of activities and movements. We work and play, so our body needs energy and strength. We get energy and strength from the food we eat. So, here is unit second of EVS our needs and 2.1 food. So, let's read the lesson. All living things need food. We need food when we are hungry. Our body needs food to grow strong and healthy. Food gives us energy for work and play. Good food makes our bones and body strong. Our food comes from plants and animals. Food from plants. Food grains: oat, jowar, millet, rice, wheat, maize. Fruits: orange, grapes, apples, pineapple, banana, mangoes. Vegetables: potato, cabbage, onion, carrot, ladyfinger, cauliflower, brinjal, green peas, capsicum. So here are two questions. Which is your favorite fruit? So you can answer which is your favorite fruit, like mango, orange, grapes, pineapple, etc. Which vegetable do you like the most? So in this vegetable, which one you like the most? Potato, cabbage, onion, carrot, ladyfinger, cauliflower, brinjal, green peas, capsicum, etc. So next is food from animals, birds and fish. Milk from cows and buffaloes. Milk helps us to grow strong and healthy. Nature, it is nature's wellness drink. Milk is used to prepare many tasty things. Some of the things we prepare from milk are curd, butter, cheese, and buttermilk. Meat from sheep, goats, and hens. We get meat from goats, sheep, and hens. Here, eggs from hens and ducks. We eat eggs which comes from hens and ducks. Fish from the seas, rivers and lakes. We get fish from seas, rivers and lakes. Now we read the lesson. Let's learn more about it. Every day we play, we do our work, so we need energy. This energy comes from our food. Our food consists of food grains, means cereals. Food grains or cereals. Cereals. We can say food grains. We can also say cereals. Fruits. Fruits are also parts of our food. Vegetables. Vegetable is also a part of our food. Milk. Milk is also a part of our food. Meat and eggs. This meat comes from sheep, goats and hens, and eggs are from hens and ducks. Food grains or cereals: oat, wheat, maize, jowar, millet. We can make bhakri with the use of these cereals or food grains. We can make chapati by using wheat. We can cook rice to eat with vegetables or dal. We eat our fruits raw. It gives us energy and vitamins. We have to cook our vegetables for eating because some of the vegetables we have to cook and some of them we have to we have to eat it raw, like onion, carrot. These vegetables we can eat raw, and potato, cabbage, cauliflower, brinjal, green peas, capsicum, ladyfinger. These all vegetables we have to eat cooked. Milk is nature's wellness drink, and this milk comes from cow and buffaloes. Milk gives our bones calcium and makes our bones healthy and strong. It gives us vitamins also. See, here are some things. These things we can prepare from milk, like curd, butter, buttermilk, cheese. These things we prepare from milk, and these food are very healthy for our health. Meat and eggs. These things are very useful and very healthy for our body because meat gives us energy, calcium, proteins, and eggs also gives us calcium, vitamins, and protein. Fish. We eat fish, and this fish we can get from seas, rivers, and lakes. These fishes are also good for our health, and it gives us proteins, vitamins, etc. So this lesson teaches us to eat all balanced food, and all vegetables you have to eat and make your body healthy. I have prepared some questions for you for your homework. First is question number 1. Answer the following questions. Who needs food? This question is very easy. Who needs food? In the beginning of our lesson, we can get the answer. Can you tell me the answer? Very good. The answer is all living things need food. All living things means humans, animals, insects, plants. All these are all living things need food. Next question is what do animals give us? What do animals give us? Can you tell me? Very good. Animals give us milk, meat, and eggs. Milk, meat, and eggs. Next question is name the things we prepare from milk. This question is also so easy. So can you tell me the answer? Very good. Curd, cheese, butter, and buttermilk. curd, cheese, butter and buttermilk. These things we prepare from milk. Next is question number 2. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the brackets. See, the words are given here in the brackets. Energy, healthy, fish, strong. So first statement is our body needs food to grow dash dash and dash dash. Second is dash dash means our body needs food to grow healthy and strong. Next is food gives us dash dash for work and play. Food gives us very good energy. Our food comes from plants, animals, birds and very nice fish. Our food comes from plants, animals, birds and fish. Third question is circle the odd man out. You have to circle which one is odd. So first is potato, carrot, apple and brinjal. Which one is odd in this first one? Very good. Potato, carrot and brinjal. These all are vegetables. Only apple is fruit. So you can circle apple. Butter, cheese, curd, banana. So which one is odd? Butter, cheese, curd and banana. Very good. Butter, cheese, curd. These we prepare from milk, and banana, it is a fruit. So we have to circle banana. Third one is orange, mango, onion and grapes. Which one is odd? Orange, mango, grapes. These are fruits. Only onion is a vegetable. That's why we have to circle onion. So question number 4. Look at the words and fill in the missing letters. First one is FR dash dash TS. What is the word? Very good. The word is fruits. 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 Second one is E dash dash S. Guess. What is the word? EGGS. Eggs. Third one is F dash dash H. So which is this word? Very good. FISH. Fish. Now you have to solve all this homework in your notebook and write these question answers 2 times in your notebook. Then you can know this question answer very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.